Hello RDI, welcome to another episode. In today's video, we're going to make a few car magnets and we're going to use a vinyl cutter and not a digital printer. So let's get started with this episode. For this project, we use a Graphtec CE6060, but you can use any Cameo cutters. In fact, we have used the Cameo 4 12-inch as well as the Cameo 4 Pro 24-inch, but you can pretty much use any vinyl cutter you want. We're going to start cutting our magnets. We're going to use the safety ruler as well as the cutting mat. We use the Oracle 651 vinyl. This is the same material we use to make our car decals, car magnets, banners, yard signs, and a lot more. Check out our channel for more ideas. Remember to give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And if you would like to support us additionally, remember that we have memberships available. Just go to the join button to see all the options. Thank you for your support. Now that our machine has finished cutting the vinyl, it's time to start weeding out. We're going to do it very carefully. Another of the questions that we get a lot is about the type of finish for the vinyl that we use. And for car decals and all these type of products, we use the gloss finish material as you can see it here in this video. Now it's time to apply our transfer, and we're going to use the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75.1 for this project. If you do not have any help to apply your transfer, here's a tool that we strongly recommend that you look at. It is the tape application rollers. It makes it a lot easier to apply transfer on medium to large size decals. We're going to make sure the decal is aligned and centered. We're going to use a cutting knife to avoid leaving any paper residue behind. Remember that we have the links in the description of the video. For the first color, we're going to do a dry application, and we're going to start with half of the decal. This will make it a lot easier. One of the reasons why we love owning a vinyl cutter is the different options we have to make and sell all kinds of different products, not only the car magnets, but the ones mentioned previously. And we can do it from the comfort of our home if that's what you want to do. Now, the reason why we do not use a digital printer is because we do not own one. That is the main reason. Now it's time to start removing the transfer, and we're going to do it very carefully. Now for the second color, we're going to do a wet application, and we're going to use Rapid Tag, but you can also use Action Tag. Of course, we make sure to apply our registration marks in the software. This makes layering vinyl a lot easier. If you haven't done a wet application method in the past while using Oracle 651, don't worry about it. It is totally safe. It only takes a few minutes for it to dry. If you do not own a digital printer, remember that you can always outsource different products just like we have in the past. Make sure to check out our channel to learn more. Now it's time to start removing the transfer, and we'll be finished with this product. We just have to get rid of the registration marks, and this is how we do it without having to scratch the surface. Make sure to lift one side and just remove it completely. And then we're going to round the corners, and this is the end product. We know times are a little tough right now. That is why it's so important to come up with different ideas for products, especially digital products and services. We have a few videos where we talk about those products and services. Remember that if you like this video, of course, give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you would like to support us additionally, just go to the join button and you will see all the options available for memberships. Thank you so much, and we'll see you until the next one.